So this compound interest question, again, a lot of people found this tricky. A lot of people got stuck. So we know that he invests £3,000 into a savings account for 4 years. The account pays compound interest at a rate of 1.5% per annum. Don't be put off by what that means. That just means years. But even if you weren't sure, just assume it means years. Calculate the total amount of interest Elok will get at the end of 4 years. Now this is a little bit of a sneaky question, because the first thing you have to do is calculate the total amount he will have in his bank. Now the way we do that is we use the formula initial times by rate to the power of n, which is the number of years. So our initial sum is 300,000. Now the rate, this is a tricky part to calculate. The rate is 1.5%, but we're also, remember, going to have that original amount, and original is always 100%. So it's 100% plus that 1.5%, which gives us the percentage of 101.5%. Now, to be as a rate, it must be as a decimal. So how do we get percentage to decimal? Well, we divide by 100. So our rate is 1.015. So that is now our rate. So we do 3,000 and we can put that into the equation times 1.015, because we just put that up here. And our power is 4. Now we're going to type that onto our calculators, times by 1.015 to the power of 4, which gives us 318,409. Now the tricky part of this question was that is the total amount he has at the end. But they don't want that in the question. They want the total amount of interest. So what we then have to do is minus what was already in there, which was 300,000. So we put that onto the calculator, which gives us an answer of 18,409.065. Therefore, the total amount of interest, well, again, it's money, we round it to 2 decimal places. It's going to be 18,409.07. Again, a tricky question, but if we're looking to get 1 or 2 marks, maybe that last mark a lot of people will miss out on, but we can definitely use this formula there to get as far as we possibly can.